Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Melamagic Cleaner is probably one of the most effective heavy-duty cleaners on the market. Today, we're diving deep into this cleaning powerhouse, exploring its incredible ability to tackle tough grease, grime, and stains. We'll put it to the test, showing you exactly how it performs on various surfaces and messes. Get ready to witness the cleaning magic and discover if this is the ultimate solution for your cleaning needs. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. Are you tired of stubborn stains? This miracle cleaning paste is here to help. It effortlessly tackles tough grime, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. This product is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, tiles, and more. It's your go-to solution for almost any household mess, making cleaning a breeze. It's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. This paste removes stubborn stains without scratching, ensuring your surfaces stay spotless and shiny. Using it is simple. Just apply a small amount to a damp cloth, rub gently, and rinse. It's ideal for everyday cleaning tasks, making your life easier. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. The pink stuff leaves your home not only spotless but also smelling great with its delightful rhubarb fragrance. What we like? The pink stuff is a miracle worker on various surfaces. It's gentle yet powerful, removing stubborn stains without scratching. If you are looking for a versatile cleaner that can handle almost any household mess, this is the one for you. What people say? It works great on the stove top. It removed the grease and grime from my oven. It cleaned my glass cooktop. Number 4. Dawn Professional Pine Scent Degreaser 1 gallon. This heavy-duty degreaser is perfect for those tough, greasy messes. It's great for range hoods, ovens, walls, and floors. It will make your cleaning job much easier. This degreaser cuts through grease 3 times faster than other products. It works at full strength to quickly remove greasy soils. You'll be amazed at how quickly it works. This commercial degreaser can be used on surfaces that come into contact with food. Simply rinse with water after use. It's a safe and effective way to clean. Formulated with employee safety in mind, this degreaser is phosphate-free, non-caustic, and non-flammable. It's designed to be safe while still being effective. From drive-through pads to kitchen surfaces, this product handles it all. It's a versatile cleaner that will become a staple in your cleaning routine. Try it today. What we like? Dawn Professional cuts through grease 3 times faster. This commercial-grade degreaser is safe for food contact surfaces when rinsed. If you have a commercial kitchen or deal with heavy grease buildup, you should consider this. What people say? I sprayed it with this stuff and easy rinsed brushed all the crud away. Cleaning the stove is a breeze. I tried all sorts of degreasers and nothing is as effective as this. Just sprayed the range vent screens with a 3 parts water 1 part concentrate solution, and sprayed with hot water not 5 minutes later, and they look like new without scrubbing or soaking. Number 3. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Introducing Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. This powerful stain remover is perfect for clothes, upholstery, and carpets. It works fast and effectively. This product is EPA Safer Choice certified, so you can be confident that it meets high standards for health and safety. It's a safer choice for you and your family. This stain remover works wonders on various stains, including fruit juice, baby food, and even blood. It's effective on both fresh and set-in stains. First, remove any excess residue and dampen the stain with water. Then, spray it on, rub if necessary, and toss it in the wash. If the stain remains, simply repeat the process. This product is great for infants, toddlers, and adults. It's a must-have for anyone dealing with messy eaters or everyday stains. Get yours today. What we like? Miss Mouth's Stain Remover is fast-acting and works on both fresh and set-in stains. It's also EPA Safer Choice certified, so it's a safer choice for your family. If you have kids or deal with tough stains on clothes and fabrics, you should consider this. What people say? This spray works like magic on everything from pasta sauce and fruit stains to those mysterious mystery spots that somehow appear on children's clothing. The formula works especially well on baby food stains, which can be notoriously difficult to remove. It works really well on hard set stains that I normally struggle to get out. Number 2. GP66 Green Miracle Cleaner, All-Purpose Cleaner. Introducing GP66, the industrial strength cleaner. It's designed to dissolve grease, oil, and grime from almost any surface. This cleaner makes cleaning easy. Unlike harsh chemicals, it's water-based and biodegradable. It's free from bleach and strong odors, providing maximum cleaning power without harming your health. This makes it a smart choice for your home. GP66 works everywhere: kitchens, bathrooms, glass, and more. Simplify your cleaning routine with one bottle that handles it all, indoors and outdoors. It's the only cleaner you'll need. Each bottle is highly concentrated for long-lasting value. Dilute it with water to make multiple spray bottles. A little goes a long way, helping you save money. Proudly made in the USA for over 50 years. GP66 is a family-owned brand dedicated to quality and results. Customers trust it for reliable, heavy-duty cleaning. What we like? GP66 is an industrial-strength cleaner that removes the toughest stains. It's also eco-friendly and safe for your family. If you like a cleaner that can handle a wide variety of surfaces and messes, this is the one for you. What people say. Does a great job on organic messes, degreasing jobs, pet stains, even oven cleaning. This stuff removed it with ease. This stuff makes cleaning baked on caked on stubborn sticky years of dirty build-up easy. Number 1. Melaleuca Tough and Tender 12X All-Purpose Cleaner. This all-purpose cleaner is plant-derived and biodegradable. It's designed to make your cleaning easier and more effective. The formula is super concentrated, so a little goes a long way. This powerful cleaner easily removes dirt, grease, and grime. It's safe to use on various surfaces like counters, tables, and appliances. It cleans effectively without harsh chemicals. Made with natural cleaning agents, it provides powerful cleaning while being eco-friendly. You can feel good about using it in your home. It's free from ammonia, chlorine, and other harsh chemicals, making it safer for your home and family. You won't have to worry about strong smells or harmful residues. 1/8 fluid ounces bottle makes up to 6 full spray bottles of cleaner. It's a convenient and economical choice for your cleaning needs. What we like? Melaleuca Tough and Tender offers a 12x concentrated formula for effective cleaning. It is safe and gentle on various surfaces, and made with plant-derived ingredients. If you are looking for an eco-friendly cleaner that is also cost-effective, you should consider this. What people say. Melamagic Heavy-Duty Cleaner is a great product for cleaning. It works great on all kinds of surfaces. It is a great cleaner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.